Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use applications in the cover screen. At first I need to add them. How to do that? Open settings and here in the settings head to the external display. Now scroll down to the app settings. Here we've got every application on our phone, and if we tap on, for example, Chrome, we can tap Allow on External Display. And now we can have here the transition. So once you do this to all the applications you want, you can turn your phone upside down. You just need to flip it, and once we are here, we can scroll through games and applications. And now here, once we are in the applications, we can open them. As you can see here, we've got Google Photos. Here we can open our Chrome. I mean, wait a moment, not now, but you need to here tap this pen icon and tap on each application to add it to the panel. Now tap the stick and here you can scroll through all the applications. Then tap one and here Allow. That's it. Goodbye.